In this video, we will talk about turn your dreams into dollars to reach your financial goals. So make sure to watch the full video. Hey there, dreamers! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the magical world of turning your wildest dreams into cold, hard cash. Whether your aspirations include homeownership, travel, or retirement, achieving them hinges on strategic financial management. This video article explores 10 essential steps to transform your dreams into tangible financial outcomes. From setting realistic goals and crafting detailed plans to maximizing income potential and staying disciplined, each step is crucial in navigating the path to financial success. Let's go! 1. Identify your dreams and financial goals. Begin by envisioning your ideal life and financial future, whether it's owning a home, traveling, or achieving financial independence. These aspirations serve as the guiding force behind your financial decisions. Take the time to reflect on what truly matters to you and articulate your aspirations in detail, as this clarity will serve as the foundation for your entire financial plan. Understand the why behind each goal, as this understanding will provide motivation and purpose throughout your journey. 2. Create a detailed financial plan. Develop a strategy encompassing budgeting, saving, investing, and debt management tailored to your unique circumstances and objectives. This plan serves as a blueprint, outlining actionable steps to achieve your financial goals. By mapping out a detailed plan, you gain clarity and direction, empowering you to make informed decisions and navigate the complexities of your financial journey. Consider factors such as your income, expenses, debts, and long-term objectives as you craft a plan that aligns with your vision for the future. Your financial plan should be dynamic, evolving as your life circumstances and priorities change. 3. Set realistic milestones. Break down your long-term goals into smaller, achievable milestones to track your progress and maintain motivation. Setting realistic targets ensures that you make steady progress towards your ultimate objectives. By celebrating milestones along the way, you stay inspired and focused on the journey, recognizing each accomplishment as a step closer to turning your dreams into reality. Whether it's paying off a credit card, saving for a down payment, or reaching a certain investment milestone, setting achievable benchmarks keeps you motivated and accountable. It's important to periodically reassess and adjust your milestones as needed. 4. Increase your financial literacy. Educate yourself on fundamental financial concepts, investment strategies, and wealth-building techniques to empower yourself to make sound financial decisions. By enhancing your financial literacy, you gain the knowledge and confidence to navigate the complexities of personal finance effectively. Explore books, online resources, courses, or seek guidance from financial professionals to expand your understanding of key financial principles and strategies. Continuously seek to expand your knowledge and adapt to changes in the financial landscape. 5. Maximize your income potential. Even though if you don't like your current job, discover ways to make more money by moving up in your job, learning new skills, or starting your own business. When you earn more, you have extra money to save, invest, and chase your dreams. By seizing chances to boost your income, you speed up your journey to financial freedom and lay a strong base for reaching your goals. Whether it's aiming for a promotion, picking up new talents, or kicking off a side hustle, take the initiative to find ways to make more money and improve your financial situation. Your ability to keep earning while you work on turning your dream into a business is key to your success. 6. Live below your means. This one is really important. Adopt a mindful approach to spending by prioritizing necessities over luxuries and practicing frugality. Living below your means allows you to save and invest surplus income towards your goals, building financial security and resilience. By embracing a modest lifestyle, you cultivate discipline and resourcefulness, ensuring that your financial resources are aligned with your long-term aspirations. Evaluate your spending habits, identify areas where you can cut back, and prioritize expenses that align with your values and priorities to live more intentionally within your means. Consistently living below your means will enable you to build wealth over time. 7. Invest wisely for the future. If you have the capital to invest, then develop a diversified investment strategy aligned with your risk tolerance, time horizon, and financial objectives. Strategic investing allows you to grow your wealth over time, providing the resources necessary to achieve your long-term goals and aspirations. By making informed investment decisions and harnessing the power of compounding returns, you lay the foundation for financial security and prosperity. Consider your investment goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon as you allocate your assets across various investment vehicles, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and retirement accounts. 8. Stay disciplined and consistent. Maintain discipline and consistency in executing your financial plan. Even in the face of challenges or temptations, the thought of "this is not working" will enter your mind, but don't change your course yet. Consistent habits and routines ensure steady progress towards your goals, keeping you focused on the long-term vision. By staying disciplined and committed to your plan, you build momentum and resilience, overcoming obstacles and staying on course towards turning your dreams into reality. Cultivate habits such as regular budgeting, automated savings, and periodic reviews of your financial plan to stay accountable and maintain momentum on your journey to financial success. Discipline and consistency are key to achieving long-term financial success. 9. Regularly review and adjust your plan. Periodically review your plan and make adjustments based on changes in your circumstances, goals, or external factors. By staying proactive and responsive to evolving needs and opportunities, you optimize your chances of success and stay aligned with your long-term aspirations. Schedule regular check-ins to assess your progress, reassess your goals, and make any necessary adjustments to your financial plan to keep it aligned with your changing circumstances and priorities. Regular review and adjustment are essential for staying on track towards your financial goals. 10. Celebrate milestones and stay motivated. Acknowledge and celebrate your achievements along the way, no matter how small. Recognizing milestones reached boosts morale and reinforces your commitment to your financial journey. Whether it's reaching a savings milestone, paying off a debt, or achieving a significant investment return, take the time to acknowledge your accomplishments and use them as fuel to propel you forward on your financial path. Celebrating milestones keeps you motivated and engaged in the journey. In conclusion, turning dreams into financial success is within reach with the right mindset and strategies. By identifying your goals, creating a detailed plan, and staying disciplined, you can overcome obstacles and achieve your aspirations. Remember to celebrate milestones along the way, staying motivated and focused on your journey. Regularly review and adjust your plan as needed, embracing flexibility and adaptability. Start today, and with each step forward, you'll be one step closer to realizing your dreams and living the life you always imagined. Drop us a line in the comments below, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a hearty thumbs up and subscribe to our channel before you go. We would also like to hear from people who have successfully turned their dreams into a viable income. Thank you for watching.